Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another day and welcome back to the channel. It is Friday morning and I got up this morning and made another loaf of bread. So I let it rise overnight during the sleep hours, and I woke up about 7 or so, and then about 8 o'clock I put the bread in the oven, and look what I have. I have normal bread slices this time. I did let it sit and cool off for a lot longer this time, and it was much easier to cut, and I made sure I didn't squeeze the bread too much while I was cutting it. So yeah, I have normal bread slices. And of course, I did already have a piece with some butter and grape jam on it, and it tasted delicious. I figured I'd save the butt ends for Glenn this time and see if he wants to eat those. But I'm going to go ahead and put this in the bread bag. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you that for my second loaf of bread that we made. And when I said on the first one that the loaf would last about a week, well, it's not going to. So when you have good bread, you tend to eat it. So, so yeah, it is not going to last a week. All right, everyone. So we're going to have some bread with some butter and grape jelly on it. And Glenn's going to have one of the end pieces and a regular slice. And I just made him some coffee. So that's what we're going to eat right now. And not sure what else is going to happen. Hopefully you all had a good week, or as best as you can anyway. All right, everyone, so here is a very, very small Walmart order. So I think we have what we need for the week. And then at the beginning of, not this coming up week, but the next week, I'll have a bigger haul because I'll be getting stuff for the rest of the month meal plan. So this will just get us through this upcoming week. Fritos, I got those for the walking taco casserole that I have on April's meal plan. And then got some Oreos because you just never know when you want to fry some up. Glenn felt like having a solid chocolate Easter bunny, so I got 2 of the Russell Stover Easter bunnies. Got 1 pack of bacon, and this pack of bacon will give us 3 times the serving. So I actually will cut it in 3s. And then got 1 thing of Land O'Lakes butter. Got a can of Dole pineapple chunks for next weekend sweet and sour chicken with peppers and pineapple. And we got some more Rhodes Bacon Serve items. I got this, these are the soft white rolls. They're a little smaller than I thought they were. I thought to use them like for hamburgers or whatever, but I suppose I could make hamburgers smaller. But yeah, I just want to try the other Rhodes Bacon Serve items that Walmart carries. So there's the rolls, and these are already baked, so you're just warming them up. And then we are trying the cinnamon rolls as well. Got a box of shore lunch for the fried pork chops next week. A 5-pound bag of potatoes. Gonna make some French fries this week. Box of canned Fancy Feast for the fur babies. And that's it. A little smaller than I thought. So yeah, that's the Walmart grocery haul for now. Alright, everyone, so as I'm talking, I'm going to be splitting up our fish dinner. And it's so nice that they put both French fries in a bag, so I don't have to divide them all up. So like I said, we got 1 dinner between the 2 of us. And that's what we're, they didn't have the walleye, so I had to get the North Atlantic cod. Alright. And I got some extra tartar sauce for Glenn. He likes the, he likes the tartar sauce. And I like the lemon, but I forgot to ask for extra lemon for myself. Oh well. All right, folks, we're going to enjoy supper, and that's going to be it. So thank you so much for tuning in and taking that time out of your day. I appreciate all of you. And with that, remember to live life, be good to yourself, and be good to others. Until next time.